In Excel, conditional formatting makes it very easy to highlight certain values or make particular cells easy to identify. This short video will introduce how to use conditional formatting. Let's use this table as an example. Now, I would like to show all entries with the grades less than 60, and this is what we can do. First, we select all of the data that we want to check, and then we go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, go to Less Than. And in this new table, let's see, Style Classic, format only cells that contain cell value less than, let's enter 60. We can also change the format, but now I'll just use this red one. So hit OK. And now we can see it shows all entries that are less than 60. And now I also want to highlight those grades that are greater than 95. So we'll just do the same thing. Select all, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight, but this time let's go to greater than. So in this new table, cell value greater than 95. And we can change the format. Let's use the third one, green field with dark green text. Hit OK. So now the table highlights both grades greater than 95 and less than 60 using two colors. The next question is how to clear the rules. Well, first select all, and then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, go to Clear Rules. We can either clear rules from the selected cells or from the entire sheet. So in this case, we have already selected all, so either one works. Check the first, and as you can see, the rules have been cleared. And under conditional formatting, there are also some other options. We can now just highlight cells that are greater than, less than, or equal to something. We can also pick the top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%. We can also create the data bars using different color codes based on color scales and icon sets. We can also create our own new rule. For instance, here, classic, use a formula, but we just need to make sure we need to get our absolute referencing correct when using formulas. So formula start with an equal sign, and check this. Let's say I would like to show the grades that are equal to 100. And I would like to make this yellow. And you may already know that the dollar mark means the values are fixed. So in this case, I need to remove these two dollar marks. Hit OK. So as you can see, now the two 100 grades are highlighted. So just try to play with this conditional formatting to make our table fancier.